Do you like spicy? Yeah, is that good? Yum. I think you like the texture. Are you swallowing it or not? That's food, honey. I don't think you're swallowing it very much. I think you're just ripping it apart. That has lots of nutrients in it. That's why I put it in your food bowl. It's not just paper, like a toy. You know, you play with this paper, you rip apart these wooden toys. I know you like it so much, hon, but you can actually eat it. I'm glad you like it though. I'm glad you think it's fun. Can you swallow it, please? Can you eat it, please? Like food. Or at least you drop the pieces back in your food bowl. That's a good girl. Yeah, tropical carnival. Put pretzels in your food. What do you think of that? What do you think? Is it good? I knew you would like the texture of the pretzel for sure. I don't know what that is. Yep, I got the wrong tropical carnival food on Amazon. And this one's way more exciting looking. I think you like it. Maybe it wasn't the wrong food after all. That's just the dog moving around. So would you give this 5 stars? I think you're having lots of fun. Yeah, maybe we can upload a different video with a review where I can talk about all the ingredients. You're just being so cute. See this one, the pretzel, you're acting like the pretzel is food, which is good, yeah. Do you like the pretzel? Is it so yummy? By the way, for those of you who are watching this, I don't recommend just feeding your parrots like any random pretzel or any random hot pepper. Everything you see in here came in a bag of bird food, but I did mix together a couple different bags of bird food. So if you guys want to know what the mixture is, keep watching. I'll show you at the end of the video. So we have just some sunflower seeds, tropical carnival, 2 different tropical carnivals. What's that you got there? Is that some dried fruit? Is that so yummy? Yeah. When she picks things above sunflower seeds, that's when you know she really likes them. So I'll show you what we have here. We have this tropical carnival for small hookbill. She's about the same size as an African gray. And you can see what's inside of there. When it comes to the ingredients, where are the ingredients? Here they are. Got a lot of different fruits and seeds and such. Some vitamins. I can do an in-depth review of that. This is what the mixture looks like. This is my custom recipe. So these little specks are herbs and like dried leafy greens. So they're not like bugs or anything. Let me see if I can find the herbs. Here we go. So this is not the herbs, but this is tropical carnival fruit and nut parrot treats. And then we have leafy greens and herbs.
a little tiny bit of Nutriberries, which, by the way, I don't actually recommend taking this and mixing it all in like that, because I believe these have really specific dosage recommendations. And last but certainly not least, we have Volkmann's Avian Parrot, African Gray, and Amazon Parrot. She is an Amazon Parrot. So let me know if you guys want to see some more videos about my bird. She really is digging those peppers. Could you like actually eat it though, honey? At least she's not dropping it on the ground. You know, most of it is going into the food bowl. Oh, well, then she drops it on the ground. Well, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I pray that you and your pets will have a wonderful day. And let me know which kind of bird food you like and dislike in the comments below. If you happen to have a bird, if you're a human, let me know what your favorite human food is. Bye-bye. Do you want to say bye? She's like, no, I'm busy eating.